Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing red, white, and blue, and division weight 122 pounds. He's a former #1 flyweight contender in the Philippines from Lipa City, Batangas. Ladies and gentlemen, Jector Buhawi. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner, wearing blue with white, and also weighing 122 pounds with a professional record of 8 wins, 5 wins coming by way of knockout, with 2 losses and 1 bout even. From San Miguel, Surigao del Sur. You like it? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Ronel Sumampong.
Sumampong yan eh. Alam ko sumampong yan. Sumalpong.
Okay, kurang sa paggalaban, ano?
Kaya nga eh.
Ingat sa headbutt, ingat sa elbow. Suntok sa katawan hanggang belt line lang. Tapos grab para sa malinis ang laban.
Apat na raw lang yan. Start yan.
Ingat ingat.
Galaw din, galaw. Okay, good. Yan, ganun na. Pupun yan. Wala yan.
Oh, break! Oh.
Diskarte.
Okay.
Diskarte.
Thank you.
Break! Oh. Okay. Ulo, ina sa ulo. Break! Okay.
Okay, good. Nice one.
Kamay. Down! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Hey. Holding. Back.
Ladies and gentlemen, winner at the end of round 1 in the technical knockout, Ronel Sumampong.